Introducing the revolutionary Hoover Unplugged Cordless freedom, but with the long-lasting power you'd expect from a mains vacuum. Its sleek, slimline design means it fits easily within a cupboard for storage, and at less than 4 kilograms, its lightweight design makes it easy to carry up and down stairs. No cord, no hassle, no need to worry about plug sockets. Simply select the floor type and the powerful suction will collect all dirt and debris, whilst you effortlessly move Unplugged around the room. Once you're happy that your room is spotless, switch off, lift up, and move to the next room that needs cleaning. Nothing could be more simple. Its highly efficient design and powerful 30-volt battery, equivalent to a 2,200-watt mains vacuum, effortlessly cleans both your hard floors and carpets. Do you have messy pets that leave pet hair around your home? Even hair will not deter Unplugged. Press the turbo button and watch it disappear. The low-profile, flat-back design allows Unplugged to fit under the lowest of coffee tables and even sofas. Clean an entire room without cords getting in the way and move effortlessly from room to room. The powerful, long-lasting 60-minute battery will clean the average home more than twice. This super maneuverable, powerful cordless vacuum captures all dirt with its cyclonic dust separation system and powered brush bar to ensure you're done in no time. Once you're finished, pop your Hoover Unplugged back into the cupboard or on charge, and it will be there ready to go for your next clean. Hoover Unplugged. Power without limits. Discover powerful cordless freedom with Hoover Unplugged. Introducing the revolutionary Hoover Unplugged Cordless freedom, but with the long-lasting power you'd expect from a mains vacuum. Its sleek, slimline design means it fits easily